Struggling to make extra money from home because you have no budget and no time? What if I told you that you can launch your own digital product with $0 upfront, even during nap times, and start building income from home? In this video, I'll show you 5 simple steps to create and sell your first digital product using free tools. Hey there! I'm Techie Isabel, Isabel's AI avatar, founder of Your Techie Isabel and your micro-budget business mentor. A lot of people say you need hundreds or even thousands of dollars to start a home-based online business, but that's just not true. I built my own home business for under $100 a year using free and affordable tools that most people haven't even heard of. Stick around, subscribe to my channel, and I'll show you the exact steps to set up your systems so you can sell your own digital products or services on a micro budget, even if you're starting from zero. So, here's the full process I use to create and sell a digital product on a micro budget. First, I pick one simple idea that solves a small problem. It doesn't need to be revolutionary. Maybe it's a simple planner, a clean budgeting sheet, or even a short how-to guide. What matters is that it's helpful, practical, and easy to finish. Next, I create it in Canva. I start with a free template, switch the colors to match my style, and add my content. Canva makes it simple to design an ebook, a planner, or a printable in just a short time. Even a clean 3-page PDF can deliver real value. Then I give it a strong title and make a quick mock-up in Canva so it looks professional. This makes the product feel real and ready to buy. After that, I set up my store inside system.io. I add my sales copy, place the product, and connect it to a simple checkout and thank you page so buyers can get instant access. Finally, I share my product on my social media channels and I join list building bundles where I offer a freebie. This grows my audience, builds trust, and brings new buyers into my world. And that's all it takes to start selling digital products online with free tools, simple, doable, and budget friendly. If you want a behind-the-scenes peek at how I personally run my business without paying for fancy tools, grab my free guide called How I Run My Business Using Free and Affordable Tools. I share the exact platforms I use every day to run my business on a micro budget. You'll find the link in the description below. And if you're ready to fast track your setup, my full step-by-step course Start Your Home Biz on a Micro Budget is also linked below. Let's get started without breaking your budget. See you in the next one.